Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's demonstration we will see about what is ChatGPT basically. So ChatGPT is an AI chatbot and created by OpenAI. Okay, so it is a chatbot platform and you are the chatting with an artificial intelligence. You can ask anything like I wanted to write a poem on a topic XYZ topic. You can ask anything, it will answer you. You can say whole internet intelligence at a one point, and it was trained on a massive data set of a text to generate human like responses to prompts, and it was released in November 2022. And the second thing, the why ChatGPT is important, because ChatGPT is important because it can be used in a variety of applications such as a chatbot, like as I said earlier. You can chatting with artificial intelligence. You can ask anything. Like I wanted to write some poem. Right, you are looking for some lesson. If you are good to write a prompt in ChatGPT, then it will definitely helpful you out. Okay. And the second thing for a virtual assistant, like if you are an author and if you wanted to write some story on any topic, okay, so it very less time, as much as better than the author, it will do that for you. And it will also be helpful for a student if you are stuck any mathematical related issues, yeah, any kind of poem, any kind of concept. If you are mention your query in a effective manner, then it will also uh, do like helpful in effective manner as well. Okay, then if you are let's say if you are a developer, if you are a software tester, then if you are a like accountant, okay, see accountant, any kind of profession you have, okay, and if you are facing some challenges in your testing career, bug fixes are there, yeah, if you wanted to write some code, wanted to some issues in your like accountant account related documents, okay, so ChatGPT gonna helpful in a very effective manner as well. And if you want to create some PPT lesson, content writing, searching also it will helpful. Okay. Some people are says it will over to, it's like it is a better than Google. So, like any query you can write on Google, you will get all kinds of link, all kinds of data on a Google. Like it is a personalized data, okay. But over to ChatGPT, if you good to like if you mentioning your query in a, like if you are good to write a content in prompt content in ChatGPT, then definitely it will very like customer service automation, you can say, like in your BPO sector, yeah, like any companies are looking for any feedback from a customer, it will also playing a very important role for a language translation, also content creation, you can say. If you want to create some PPT on any lesson, any topic, you can also use the chat gpt. This is a AI tool basically, and it is just like your friend. It will give you best ideas, best suggestion, best tip, and many more. Okay, so guys, every coin has two sides. If there are some benefits, there are some disadvantages as well. But I must say, if you are good to write prompt, like mention your prompt content, if you are a good content creator, okay, and if you are convincing what you are expecting from ChatGPT, then definitely ChatGPT tool is very useful to all of us. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on like button, also click on notification button, and we'll see in next workshop. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected. Thank you so much.